Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to increase the font size and overall look and feel of Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you're unable to see the things on your laptop, and if you want everything to be a little bit bigger according to your convenience, it is very easy to do so. So here you just need to do a right click and you just need to go to display settings, and you will come here scale and layout. So we need to focus here under scale and layout, and here we can change the size of text, apps and other items. So here is the recommended. I would recommend to select the recommended one. So you can select 100%. This will be a little bit smaller. If you want to make it higher, you can try 125%. See how exactly it is. If you want bigger, then you can go to 150%. You can see the font size is also getting increased. The cursor size is also increased. And if you're older, if you are a senior citizen, then I would recommend to make it 150%. All right. So it is very easy to do so. You just need to do the right click, go to display settings, and here under scale and layout, you just need to select it 150%. So according to me, 150% is more than enough. You can make it higher, and it depends on your PC as well. So you can try one by one, whichever is convenient, you can make it. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.